Greetings viewers. Today I am unveiling another Portronics product and looks like Portronics will make me their brand ambassador on social media. I'm a big fan of these products and this is what I got this time, which is Thermosip. So when you check the details, this has got 400 ml capacity. It's a leak proof thermos kind of a product which can be used for heating the liquid, and this maintains the temperature up to 12 hours. Let me open the box for you. Before that, let me tell you the MRP of this product is 3999, but during the Diwali festival time on Amazon I got it for a discounted price, which is somewhere around 1800 rupees. So here is the first look of this particular product. This comes under a wrap. Okay, and let me unveil this for you. So this has got two holes here, which is meant for steam to come out. There are instructions which are mentioned here. Please wait 3 minutes before lifting the lid after boiling. So this boils the water and there are safety instructions which are there. Overall finishing of this product is superb. There's a display which is there and I can see there's a charging port which is there. So there are safety instructions again. This comes with a handlebar. I think this is easy to carry, and it's a flap open to sip your drink. And when I open this cable is there inside the Thermosip. I'm just removing it. Okay, so that's the cable. Now I have filled the water into this. There is a maximum level which is specified. So that's how this looks like. Now I'm going to use it for the first time. So this is the flap open. This comes with a 3-pin plug. So when I put the plug in, the display comes up. Let me operate it. This is showing 100 and 80. I can see that I can change the temperature, and I believe this has started heating the water now. This comes with a registration of warranty and a instruction slip. Water is heating. You can hear the sound in the background. Temperature is going up slowly. One can select 4 temperature setting, which is 100, 80, 60, 45 degree. There's a buzzer alert as well for status changes. This has reached to 60 degree Celsius. So this has stopped charging now or heating now. I have changed the heating to 100 degree centigrade now. So this is again heating the liquid. So this is boiling at 90 degree. You can hear the sound. The steam is coming up. So this has reached to 100 degree. It has taken somewhat 3 minutes of a time to boil the water. So the surface is hot outside, but then you have a rubber at this portion to hold it comfortably. It's a good handy product to carry when you travel. You can have hot water, you can obviously have green tea or anything which requires hot water to cook. You can comment on this blog to ask any question. You can ask about my uses and long-term review as well. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.